Nice.
Oh yeah, I see him. He's shooting at us. We took out the tree. How did we shoot out the tree?
I'm for FPS.
Yes, I know. Where are you going, Jack?
Loot Lake, but there's an army.
Docks.
Yeah, I'm at docks.
Instead.
Yeah, I see you, Jack. I'm above you. I'll go to
the roofs because there's sometimes some good stuff. And if you're on the roof, you go down into the building so you can get any good
I can see. Oh, someone's landed below me. Is that you next to me, Maynard?
Oh, I got a scope assault rifle.
Yeah.
I've got a tactical shotgun, I swear I heard.
Gold chest up here.
I hear someone near us, Matt. There's a guy coming up near you.
I've got no gun, so...
What?! Matt! Matt! Open the door! Matt! Matt! Open the door! There's a guy on the opposite side of the door. Oh! Oh. Well, that worked. If I...
Oh.
Don't steal my kill.
Well, I'm trying to get to Josh and he's in the way. So.
Oh, what was that?
Gold chest above us.
Thanks.
In this building.
His pump action out damaged my semi-auto.
But I haven't got many materials. What's in there?
There you go, boy.
Is there a bandage or something that I could have? Oh.
Oh yeah, there are bandages.
Cheers. Oh, I see people at Loot Lake. Duck down so they don't see you.
Ignore that. Wait, don't take the bandages, take that.
Oh, okay.
Take that instead.
I'll drop the bandages. Hang on, Matt.
Oh yeah.
Right, duck down because there's people at Loot Lake and they might see you.
I've got a scoped assault rifle.
Go down. Come on. Freaking medikit.
Blue.
I say we just wait here because most people that go to Loot Lake they normally come out the dock.
Is there something on the end of the docks, or has that been collected?
To my
I think it
usual
has.
loot spot. You know, there's
And
abandoned building and stuff over here.
Right, yeah.
I'm gonna go to over here.
Oh, I'll come with you in a
The
second.
other building.
I'll wait for Maynard and then I'll come to you, Jack.
Is that a sniper?
Let's go.
Ah, no.
Wait, Jack, where are you? Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm a much more defensive character, like player. I prefer sniping than charging him with a shotgun. But
oh,
Jack...
Maynard knows me. Maynard knows me.
Oh, there's a blue thing.
I am
Charging in with a pistol.
There's a blue one. There's a blue gun.
What's blue?
Oh, I can't even make it up there. I'm so freaking dumb. Wait. I'll break the tree and then you can build across.
It's a shield potion.
Oh, okay. What else is here?
There's no chest.
I've got a
Revolver.
blue burst and a blue scoped assault rifle.
Bursting.
I have a common M4 and a nine shots in a uncommon semi-auto and a revolver.
I don't have any bullets for that, so
Oh,
somebody else can put that
we
to
should
use.
probably start moving because we've got to go around Loot Lake to get more into the circle.
I mean, we could always stick to the edge, but there's going to be a ton of people coming from behind us.
People crossing the street, people into docks.
Yeah, don't shoot, unless you're going to be like Jack and Jack will charge him, because Jack is like PvP god in freaking Fortnite.
I'm not. How am I PvP god? I'm not a god.
You got a 4-man. You wiped out a squad by yourself on half health.
Thank the tactical shotgun, to be honest.
Okay, well, there's going to be a ton of people coming from behind us.
Yeah, that is actually a good point.
Yeah, because that'll go to docks from Loot Lake and then
Yeah.
do exactly what we're doing.
Do you want to go on top of the mountain?
I say we sit up on this hill
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah, and there's an abandoned building on top of this hill, if I remember.
There was a shed.
No, there's an abandoned building, I'm pretty sure.
There's an M16.
Yep.
Oh,
Chest.
okay.
Don't
Well.
think so.
Oh, yes,
Back
please.
shotgun.
Slurp juice is there for anybody who wants it.
Josh, you can have it if you want it.
Building,
I'm gonna take the slurp juice.
Oh yeah, I'll see him.
I probably should have kept that for when I was low on health, but oh well. I wanted the shield.
Do we check warehouse?
You sniping, Jack?
That guy had that guy has 100 shield. I hit all 4 shots to took away his shield. Oh, they have bolt actions. Watch out, they have bolts.
Oh!
Shouldn't have pissed them off.
No, Jack.
Do we go to where?
you have a scoped assault rifle and they have semi-auto. Just jump every so often.
Yeah, let's keep jumping.
There's 40 people left.
Still. I can tell you now this place would have been completely... or mostly
How is that
looted.
kid still got
There's
shields?
A bunch of people.
Slurp juice, I don't know.
I've hit him 6 times and it's just torn away his shield.
Parkour! I can't parkour onto this crate, that's bad.
Oh, they're all behind a rock 165. I reckon we push them.
Okay, screw my defensive idea. Wait,
Oh my god, if you stand
165?
still with a scoped assault rifle, it's pinpoint.
I'll see you, Maynard. I'm coming
Behind
to
a
you,
rock. They're all very weak, by the way. Most of them are quite weak.
Oh, I just
Matt, they'll be sliding to the... They'll be southwest of you, Matt.
Maynard. Southwest.
Yeah.
Oh, I see him.
I just got a hit marker. I just... one's shield has just gone down.
Ah, I've been shot. They took out my shield.
Mm-hmm.
And part of my health. Oh, they're shooting the
I
freaking
say you
crate.
come down from there and we go southeast.
Alright.
To this
I'm pushing them.
house.
Okay, good luck, Jack.
Actually, we should help Jack, really.
Oh, Jack, see what Okay, PvP God, like I frickin' said.
Sorry, lads. I kind of rushed. It was a really bad idea. I'm sorry, but there's someone else alive. There's another bolt action. There's a bolt action down there. I need that med kit. Give it to me now.
Ah, I've been shot. That was unexpected for me. I'm just gonna hide on the opposite side of this
There's
tree.
another squad by me.
Matt, come over here. We kinda need... Well, I don't know if Jack needs you, but I definitely do. Oh,
Well,
no,
I'm
he
dead,
needs us.
so- Oh, that's a grenade. And there you go.
Oh, God. Right, what are we doing, Jack?
Scope, there's a blue scope rifle there.
Oh, someone... Oh my God! She just got revived!
Oh my god! I dropped my sniper. God damn it! No, I dropped my the 3-point quick maths. I keep thinking it's 3-point quick maths. 3-point maths. It's 3 quick maths.
Yeah, so we've lost Matt now.
Which is fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was useless anyway. I'm drinking a shield potion. I've got extra shields. Don't worry. Okay.
Right, where are we dropping? Pleasant Park again? Well, what I say again, we had another attempt and we failed miserably, so we're not going to have that in the video.
Yeah,
where's it gonna
let's go.
drop? Oh!
Oh my god! Loot Lake. Go to Loot Lake now.
There's a guy going to Loot. There's a couple of guys going to Loot Lake as well, but actually I don't know if they're actually going to Loot Lake or the place next to Loot Lake. Oh, they're definitely going to Loot Lake.
I'm the first one down.
I'm like right in front of you.
Out the plane and there's like 20. And I'm just like, no.
Do you want me to go down to the bottom? You go up to top. There's a guy next to you.
Come up with me.
There's a guy right next to you. No, he's inside the house.
Where?
He's inside. He has bandages. Oh no, he's got a gun as well. Jesus Christ.
I injured him.
You took 2 people. Oh no, you eliminated the same guy as you killed. Okay. Oh, he had 6 bullets left in his SMG. Useful. I have a 6 bullet gun. Can you not hear a golden box or whatever?
I'm gonna go underground now. Nobody went underground, I'm guessing?
Well, I didn't see anyone, but he must have had a teammate, mustn't he?
No, there's a golden chest down here.
Alright.
He gave me slurp juice. You want it?
I hear people breaking. Is that you?
That
Or
ain't
is
me.
that...
Wait, unless that's you walking around.
No, I hear someone breaking wood and stuff, like, right next to where I am. There's someone else up there, I bet. And I'm also stuck in... Okay, cool.
Oh, I'm coming. I'm guessing that... Is that you opening doors? No, they're in the house.
Well, I must have run straight past them then. They must have hid on the stairs or something.
They're on the roof.
Are they?
Wait a minute.
Or do you want me to build up? Ah, there's a guy with me! There's a guy with me!
Nice!
Jesus Christ.
Stairs with this kid. Look, go to the stairs now. Go to the stairs. No, not them. The actual stairs. Because there was a wall here, yeah? I was locked in here with the other guy.
Oh, you took your slurp juice, cool.
Yeah.
I had to kill the guy that attacked me with a pistol. He only had a pickaxe, but I still nearly died.
Yeah, I don't know how. Like, they either stayed upstairs for like ages,
Or they were on
they
the
even
roof.
left an ammo box. Oh no, they didn't. They've already opened it.
Oh, okay. Is there anything on the boats?
There is no boat over there.
There was one. Oh, I see a loot box. Golden chest. Why did I say loot box?
I couldn't see that one. Oh, I'm gonna build over. You know that separate island that's like miles away from us.
Yeah.
No. You know the island that is.
I see it on the map. Yeah. Oh, it's a shield potion and an M4.
A scoped assault rifle.
I think I'm getting shot at. I'm not sure. I didn't see any bullets, but I thought I heard them.
Yeah, it's a scoped assault rifle.
Nice.
Oh, and a pump shotgun. No, if you want to come over, I'm going to go.
I want to go to docks, but I don't know if it's a good
Don't
idea.
go to docks.
Yeah,
I'm going to go over to this house over here. Do you see where I am?
the modern ass one.
Modern ass, yeah. Where's the airdrop?
Is that the ringing sound that sounds like
That's
it's
really
a phone?
close. Yeah,
Oh, okay.
that is actually really close. So, I reckon we go for it.
Where is it? I can't freaking see the thing. Oh, it's over there. Okay.
It's west from me.
Yeah, west. Yeah, I see it. West.
Go for it.
Oh, I gotta get up here first. I've literally just gone up out the freaking lake.
Oh, it's on the side of the mountain, so you need to get materials.
I have 38 wood. There's probably not enough, but
The circle zoomed in on us.
Right. We can... Oh, that's a lot of trees. Not trees,
Has it landed?
leaves. I think it's just about to. It's literally just about to land. It's landed. If you run out of material, I'll build up as well. So I've got a bit. Okay, you had... yeah, a lot. Oh, that's slowed
Oh,
down.
another scoped assault rifle.
I'm falling down with it. That shield potion just disappeared.
It's on fat, you can have that one.
Yeah, don't worry. Shots!
Ah!
Where are they? Oh, I see him. Oh, he had a skin.
He was on his own.
And he had a skin. He had a skin as well.
Destroyed him. He was not there. Can I take the tac shotgun, seeing as...
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, he insta-killed straight away, so that's how you know he's on his own. So, yeah. Where do we go next?
I don't mind. I mean, oh, I just took a shot. God damn it, I didn't mean to do that.
How much ammo do you have?
72. And then
I have some.
82.
I've only got 20.
No problem.
I reckon we track back to that watchtower that was by the modern house. Because I
Alright.
didn't actually fully loot it, because I just saw the airdrop, I was like, oh!
It wasn't the best airdrop I've ever seen.
Yeah, I've seen people get legendary bolts from it, rocket launchers, grenade launchers. We've now got 2 scoped assault rifles, so I guess that's alright. My advice when shooting them, stand still and just pinpoint.
Alright.
I didn't actually raid these fully, so...
I'm gonna get rid of the evidence that you were here.
Okay, TY. Right, I'm gonna go out the warehouse.
There's some shotgun
Someone
ammo, I'll
else here.
take it for you. Oh, nice.
Oh, I killed them both.
I know, I saw. I literally just
Alright.
came out the last second and saw it. There
I
you
just
go, that's
destroyed them
much
with
better.
the tac shotgun. I love the tac shotgun. The tac shotgun is so good. They must be triggered right now.
There's another shotgun over here which I might take.
Yeah, take it.
Wine. If you
You have an
go,
assault rifle at range.
if you're going up there, I'm going in here. Oh, they've looted that. Never mind. Okay, we're on the. Oh, it's gonna be
Go to the edge of the.
there's gonna be a ton of people coming from behind us.
Yeah, that is a shout.
Because can you remember how many went to Pleasant Park?
Yeah, look, come to here. The slurp juice downstairs.
Right.
Downstairs. You open this? Nope,
Oh, boom.
nothing in it. Yeah, use that.
Alright. I got my bandages back as well. Do you want some bandages or do you want me to hold them?
Oh, I think I dropped my bandages. I don't have any bandages.
You
Okay.
got 6. Oh, behind us.
God.
Where was he? I can't see the guy.
He's on the hill. That where you... He's coming up, he's...
Oh, I see a guy up by a tree. Is that who you mean?
He's to your left, he's to your left.
Oh, I'll shoot at a different guy then. Oh, nice. He had some good stuff. There's another... I shot a guy up by that tree, between 30 and northeast.
Okay, well, just scavenge this real quick.
It's a man-made oh, it's all man-made structure. God damn it. That made me look thick.
Is this him? No. Yeah, by this tree. Which tree was it?
This tree that we're coming up to now, like the willow kind of tree. It was either this one or the next one along. I took out a shield, but... Oh, wait, there's a guy running across.
Got him.
Yeah, me too. Nice.
Oh.
We knocked him out, so he's got teammates somewhere.
Yeah, behind that tree, is that? Nice.
Oh yeah, I see him, he's shooting at us. We took out the tree. How did we shoot out the tree?
Oh, I'm for FPS.
I've taken out a shield a bit. Oh, nice.
Nice. How many kills do you have?
2.
I have 7.
Jesus Christ, how... So we had... I killed the guy there, there were 2 other guys there, you killed that guy.
No, you killed both of them there, because I downed one.
No, I killed one guy in the house in Loot Lake.
Oh, yeah. Oh, so I'm still there. Oh, he had some good stuff. Oh, actually not that good. Now I look at it. There's a blue tack over here.
Right, the wall's closing in, so there might be people running through it, so...
Yeah, just bunker down here for a while. Look.
Alright.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to do this. I'm just going to bunker down on top of here.
I'll come up in a second.
God?
No, I won't.
No, you're fine. Where's the next one?
Oh, it's just getting further and further away.
Oh, lots of beeping outside my house. Yeah, I'm starting to. I've only got 34 bullets in my scoped.
I could probably drop you some more.
I
I only have 5 medium bullets that aren't being used, I don't think. There you go.
You sure?
Yeah, I've still got 20 in my scoped, so.
Oh, I have 40 in my scope. You want some back?
Oh no, I'm alright. I'll just find some around. I've got 4 guns, so. No. Excuse me. Thank you.
I want to see if this is looted or not. Grab my shotgun out. Yeah.
Oh, I heard another airdrop.
Airdrop. How far's that? Oh, they're miles. So,
Jesus Christ.
South, 150.
Yeah.
I'm gonna push down here. I reckon we go through Tomato Town and eliminate whoever's there first.
If you want, I'm just covering behind.
Yeah.
I was just checking behind because I thought there were some people behind us, but it was a couple of bushes.
Hey, Tomato Town. This is where people are gonna start bunkering down.
Oh look, there's a couple of man-made structures at that bridge to our left. I don't know if they're camping in there. Because I remember I went in there
They wouldn't be.
once and then they pinched me, like
Oh
one
yeah,
from
I
each side.
I remember that. Yeah, no one's in here. I'm actually gonna make sure because I've seen where 2 people have been like camping in here. Yeah, no one's in here. Man-made structure, 150 east on top of that hill.
Yep. It's made of metal
I
as
see a
well.
person. I don't know if I want to go on Tomato Town or do I want to go round and ambush that base?
I don't know. I mean, it's closing
another
in.
Structure being built.
It is closing in. I reckon when Jack, the circle's pushing into you, you might want to come into Tomato Town.
Oh.
Jack, I'm going into the garage, or whatever this place is. Oh, there's a guy, I see a guy outside, on where I am. What the frick was that, Josh? Right, there's a guy left. This way. On the opposite side of these rocks, there's a guy here. He was crouching down here. Where's he gone? Oh.
Ah! Found him. No, he's got attacked. Yeah, go for there. He's looting for my body now. I'm pretty sure.
Oh my god, freaking get up.
Nice.
Oh, I've got lag. Oh, what is this lag? Oh my god. Oh, I was lagging. I couldn't see what the hell was going on.
He's back out there. He's back out there.
Ah, 2 people. Yeah, that was gonna no. God damn it.
Lagging into the storm.
Oh.
I hope this duo dies. I really
Yes.
want to die. Oh.
Lucky little. He's on 8 health. Jesus Christ.
That's such bull.
Oh well. Right. I'm gonna stop the video there.
Alright.
Right. See you guys.